Oh yeah. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean tennis shoes, sports shoes that are used and dirty and grimy. And as you can see here, this is an old pair of high dunks that I got from the Salvation Army used, and I only paid 10 bucks for them, but if they're, or actually $8, but if they're in decent shape, they'll actually sell for over 100 bucks on eBay. I think I'll be able to clean them very well. So this will be the before picture. What we need is our Magic Clean, or Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, of course our shoes, and it's good to have microfiber, but you can use regular paper towels, and I have a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap, but even that's not necessary. The Magic Eraser will do the majority of the work. So first thing you want to do is remove the shoelaces. Now if you have like Dawn dishwashing detergent or another detergent, that's fine. What you're going to do is get about a cup of water, and you want to put about 3 drops of dishwashing detergent in there. So let's go ahead and we're going to start with the midsole first. All right, so let me show you with the Magic Eraser real quick what you need to do. This, and then what you're going to do is wring it dry. All right, and you're going to find that the friction of the Magic Eraser will get rid of a lot of the scuffs on it. Look at that. Yeah, that's great. Look at that. Oh yeah. And one Magic Eraser should be good for probably 3 or 4 pairs of shoes. But look how white this is getting it compared to what it was. Wow. That's actually pretty impressive. We'll try the midsole here, but let's do the front. Get some more water here. Yeah, look at that. Wow. I'm actually pretty impressed. Look at that. Holy smokes. It is shedding a lot, but wow. We'll let the laces sit in here let the laces soak for about 15 minutes in this Dawn dishwashing detergent, soap, and water. Let's make a paste. And we are done. Probably needs a little bit more drying to do, so I might set it next to a fan and dry these tongues out a little bit more. But as you can see, the magic eraser worked miracles, especially on the white here and then on the soles. Look how good this looks. And I'll put a before video right beside it, and you'll be able to see the comparison. But look how good this looks. Look how good the magic eraser did here. Wonderful, wonderful product. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this off of Amazon directly. You can get multiple packs. This is like a 4-pack, but you can get a 20-pack. And yes, it did take one whole magic eraser to do one set of shoes. After I went several times and dried it and then kept reapplying it. But it's well worth it. It's well worth it for one magic eraser to do one set of shoes. I mean, look how amazing it did. Now, I did have help with some baking soda that I used. Actually, I used baking soda on the tongues, and then actually I went with it with a Midsole electric carpet cleaner, and then I dried it with the carpet cleaner. That's not necessary, but I did do that, and that helped. The baking soda actually helped with the soles, and I got a little bit more touch up to do with the soles on here, but I got these shoes for $8 at Salvation Army. What an amazing buy. But these are easily $130, $140 pair of shoes, especially the size. The size are 13, which is pretty highly sought after for Nike. But very happy, and let me know if you're going to try the magic eraser and what you think about it. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.